The 5-number summary or the box and whisker diagram, it's something so basi focus kiyo like question 1. This question 1 ivela like the question paper ka November 2015. In the description box, if ever you're interested, kunama links for other questions ongaphendulile for the question paper. So for now guys, siphendulana ngo question 1. Question 1, but the table below shows the weight to the nearest kilogram of each of the 27 participants in a weight loss program. Okay, maybe at the gym, the instructor maybe will initiate a weight loss program. We invite abantu about 27, then we are ama weights wabo. Okay, so the 27 participants baware this much individually. So and this data is arranged in an ascending order from the smallest to the biggest, I mean. Now like 1.1, what is calculated the range of the data. So 1.1, the range is calculated as the difference between the maximum value and the minimum value. So the maximum value it's 156, the minimum of 56. So we subtract the two values, sithola ubani 100. So it's 100 kilogram. 1.2, write down the mode of the data. So the mode lies the repeated value. It's the repeated weight in kilograms. So abantu abawu-2 nalakule data set yethu nasithatha ukubheka baweigh a similar weight of 71, right? Ayikho enye number eziphindayo la ngaphandle ko-71 no-71. So this is our mode. The number is phindayo ku data set yethu. So the answer is 71. 1.3, determine the median of the data. Okay, the median of the data, it's the number found in the middle of your data set. So let's say for instance 1, 3, 4, 7, no 8, and then base bakubuza about what is your median. Your median, it's this 4. It's the number in the middle. But lana, in this data set again, what is my median? It's the number in the middle. But ngazi kanjani ukuthi position bani? Position bani? Uma uthatha ukubheka here, ngibonile ukuthi okay, median yami position number 3. 1, 2, 3, right? So the position of the median, we can actually calculate the value. We can actually calculate using this formula. Median position is equal to 1 over 2 in bracket n plus 1. So this is 27. N will represent the total number of data set. So it's 27 plus 1 is 28. What is half of 28? That is 14. So the 14th value is our median. So this is equal to 93. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. Now ubani 93, the 14th position. Mawuthatha ukubheka on the left of 93 sithola 13 is number or 13 data set, and then on the right we also have 13 data set. So the median, it divides your data into 2 equal data sets. So 1.3 answer to 93. 1.4, determine the interquartile range of the data. The interquartile range is equal to Q3 minus Q1. The upper quartile and the lower quartile. Median simbiza ngokuthi ubani Q2, right? Sometimes it will Q2. So there's Q1, the lower quartile to the left of your median yakho, or the 25%, and then on the right is Q3, the upper quartile. The upper quartile, the 75th percent of the data. of the data set, and then median is the 50% of the data set. So Q3 simtola in the middle of the upper data set. So aspale 1 2 3 4. Okay, it's 1 2 3 4 1 2 3 4 5 5 6 6. So now answer yethu la, it's in the middle ubani 27. So Q3 is in fact the term is let's see, 14 15 16 17 18 19 20 21. It's the 21st term, which is equal to 127. And then Q1, the lower quartile ubani, term number 7 again, which is equal to 82. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. Now 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. Here we go. So our answer is what? Is 82. So the interquartile range is equal to 127 minus 82 127 minus 82. This is equal to 45. So answer it is equal to 45. 1.5. Lana 1.5. Use the number line provided in the answer book to draw a box and whisker diagram for the data above, or the 5 number summary. So nayi lokanje ke, nayi i-number line abakhuluma ngayo, ngithethe from the answer book for this question paper. So iba handy ngoba basebakunikeza sebakuprovide ngani ngescale, when you just plot nje ama numbers are important. So the first plot esiyenzayo la, it's what? It's the minimum value. Sithole ruler ke la. It's the minimum value. The minimum value bani 56. So 2 4 6 somewhere la. 2 4 6 now 6. 2 4 6. Here we go. Boom. Minimum. In fact, let me do this. This is the minimum value. This is the minimum naila. What am I doing? You're right, so yes, you're right, correct. So, and then the maximum 156. So 156 somewhere la, and then we also have Q1 82. Now 82. The small lines between 50 no 60. The small lines in between are represented 2. So 2 4 6 plus 15 because of 56. That's why in plotted. Let me say each and every small line in between represent 2. Keep that in mind. So lana ngifuna ubani 82 now la. Here's 82. Now 82, and then it's sifuna Q3 127 122 124 126 127 127, and then the median Q2 93 92 93 somewhere la. Then siyabuya ke manje sithi angle 0 so that I can draw ama boxes ke manje. So lana siyobana something like this, and then sibena something like this. Lana, and then connect. Here we go. So so lana minimum, max, Q1, Q2, no, Q3. So this is the 5-number summary or the box and whisker diagram. 1.6 bathini ke lana bathi si calculate the standard deviation of the data. So the standard deviation is equal to, uzofuneka ukuthi ngithathe all the data sets, ngithi shift menu, no, ngithi mode, bese ngiyaku 3, ngithi stat 1, and then insert le data ke le. Okay, so now data set here to get much I27, so I had to pause and insert the data ngoba ngibona ngathi izo consume some unnecessary time lana. So we are go mode, then we click I stat bese ufaka uloka one variance where you only have the x column kuphela, then you insert information yakho, then uthi AC on, yeah, shift uthi stat, and then uyalapha ku, what's this data, no, I need data, shift uzala ku 4, oh yes, then 3 is our standard deviation, yeah. So that's the standard deviation, say to 125.84 in 2 decimal places, kilogram, right? So this is the standard deviation, guess it. 1.7, the last question, but again, the person weighing 127 kilogram states that she weighs more than 1 standard deviation above the mean. 1 standard deviation above the mean. Do you agree with this person? Motivate your answer with calculation. So 1 standard deviation above the mean is equal to basically the mean, the average plus 1 standard deviation, right? So since now data la will calculator, so we just say 1, 4, and then she calculator the mean. Ngoba siyayidinga the mean to calculate the one standard deviation above the mean. So it's 2 equal to 98.59. 98.59, is it? Yeah, 98.59. 98.59 plus 25.84, which is the standard deviation. So now add the two, 98.59 plus 25.84. This is equal to 124.43. So this is 1 standard deviation above the mean. And amount of bega, alright, I do agree. About 127 is actually greater than 124.43, which is 1 standard deviation above the mean. So this is true. So our question 1 uphelela lana, guys. This was statistics, the 5-number summary. Also be careful of lama last questions now, where they just need you to think a little bit. So pay attention, or also know how to calculate 1 standard deviation, 2 standard deviations, and play around ngalama questions afana nalawa. I also think kuma textbooks you are told as well. So statistics question 1 phelela lana. In the description box uzothola ama links for other questions engiwarecordile for this question paper. So for now, guys, asibonane on the next one. Nangabe uenjoyile, ungakhohlwa ukulike, ungakhohlwa ukushare, ungakhohlwa ukusubscribe. As usual, guys, that's the only way ungakhombisa support for this channel. So for now, asibonane on the next video. Peace.